Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to add crew, or rather how to create a crew on GTA 5 Online. And as you can see, I'm not currently on GTA 5 Online because this sort of thing should be done outside of the game itself, okay? So before we get started, this is the same process for PS4, PS5 consoles, or PC users out there, okay? So if you're using other devices, other consoles, because I'm currently using my PC, please stay on the video even if you're using your laptop, okay? So another one, if you want to use Google Chrome or any other browsers, please use it. Even though I'm using Microsoft Edge, it doesn't really matter what browser we use, okay? So the first thing you want to pop up is your browser, of course. And from here, I want you to go to this website. It is going to be socialclub.rockstargames.com, and you need to log into your Rockstar account. So the thing you need to log in here is the one you're using for the specific GTA 5 Online game. Again, this is need to be the same one as the one you're using for GTA 5. Now, once you're here, you want to make sure that you're logged in. How to say if you're logged in? You can see your name right there. Okay. Now with this, I want you to hover your mouse on this crew section right there. Click on My Crews, and then once you're here, just wait for it for a few seconds, and you'll see it right away. Create a queue, or rather, join a crew. If you click on Create a Queue right there, you'll have this options right here. Again, this is the very basic step on how to create one, but the thing is, other people should accept your invitation, other people should join you. Those are the things that, like, it's not really the part of the control right here, okay? So anyway, this is how to create a crew. And then with this one, just your crew motto, your crew name, your crew color, your rank, and your names, and then the crew actions right there. Just save the crew right here option if you're done filling this one up, okay? Again, don't forget the crew type right there, all stars, soldiers, rebels. It's really up to you guys. Anyway, that's how you create a crew on GTA 5 Online. Thank you so much for watching, and please hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.